So they assess, they plan, then they implement, and then normally they debrief as well. So they don't just jump in and do things. They assess things first. They think about what the options are. Then they put their plan into place. Now, that can happen quickly, but the fact of the matter is that it just doesn't happen instantly. They use their knowledge and their gut feel for how to get something done. That gut feel comes from your experience, that this isn't right or that would work better or whatever. It's just there. It's inherent. But the fact of the matter is, somewhere along the way, you've been exposed to that and you've learnt that. Leaders make their decisions based on what they themselves would be willing to do. And that's a big difference between leaders and managers as well. Managers will just tell people what to do. Leaders will ask people to do what they truly would do themselves. But as the leader, they need to take a larger role. Leaders consider what they're asking their people to do and believe that they can achieve. They don't just drop stuff on people. Okay. As a leader, when you make decisions, you're considering the implications of that decision. And more often than not, you'll seek advice from qualified people. And it might only be quick advice, or has anyone got any input? What do you think about this? Anybody got an idea about how we might do this better? And if there's something, they can take it and consider it. If not, we push on with the plan. They ask if anyone else has information or wants to help in any way. So they're not just relying on their own information, although they can and will, but if they can get feedback to help make a better decision, they will take that. Number 4, can leaders be followers?